everyone, real quick, I wanted to give you an update about the AI cookbook. So I know in a few of my videos, I do reference this cookbook, and it's been a journey actually working with this, creating this. But I'm at a point where I think that this is I have like a good start, like a professional format for this book. So I am going to do like a short overview of the cookbook. I'm going to actually use a sample cookbook that I've created just as an example. Like before you purchase this, I want you to see the potential. Again, if you look at my target market video, and I will go ahead and put a card above, and I will put the link to that video below. Um, if you go through that video, you'll see number one, that the official book is blurred out because I am selling it. And number two, though, you'll also be able to see an example of the value that this book can and will create for you as an entrepreneur and a small business owner. Now, there are some other prompts and things like that in there. But for the most part, this is an amazing resource for entrepreneurs and small business owners. So without further ado, I am going to real quick flip through the sample, and I'm going to show you the prompt that we actually use in the target market video. All right, so this is the sample cookbook. Now, this is pretty much the bare bones of what the actual cookbook is. Again, though, I just wanted to give you an overview real quick of what part of it looks like. Again, you're gonna get the meat and potatoes whenever you actually purchase the cookbook or subscribe to the cookbook. And I'll also go over the different ways that you can purchase it. With that out of the way, what you will see in your cookbook is some commands, like I said, from Jasper.ai. In this sample, we go over mission and vision statement. I give you examples because I like examples, and some other prompts. A lot of people like to write blogs. And so here's an example of how to write a blog using Jasper.ai. Here's the Chat GPT section. And so I, again, use a lemonade stand as an example. And I use that example with all of my prompts. Here is the prompt that we used in the target market video. Again, I'm going to put a card up above and put the link to that video below so that you can reference that video. I like to highlight the description. Now, whenever you purchase the book by itself, not updated, one-time download, it will be in the form of a PDF, and there will be two PDFs. One is what I call the creative colorful version. The other one is just a plain text version. Same information, exact same information, just two different views. That's all. So you will get that. Now, if you subscribe to the AI Cookbook program, then you will get every update for the duration of your subscription. You'll get updates. So I may add to this. I may change the sample business that we use, the example business. Any changes, you'll get access to that if you subscribe. So that will not be a Google download, or sorry, that will not be a Google Doc. That will be on the site in a members only portal. Again, we'll go over that again in a second. But this is what the prompts look like. You have the business description, and then you have the actual prompt, the question. What are you asking the program to do? And then here's just some other prompts. Again, these specific ones are in the actual AI cookbook, but this is just a sample so that I can show you guys what you're going to get, an example of what you're going to get before you purchase. Now, the actual AI cookbook is a lot longer than this. It has currently 14 chapters. I don't even remember how many pages. It's almost 60 pages, I believe. Um, but again, if you subscribe, and let's move on to that real quick. If you subscribe to the actual program, which is called AI Cookbook Plus, that is $19.97 a month. Every month, it's a monthly subscription. And just as you see here, you get instant access to the prompts. You get the video tutorials that I upload on my YouTube channel. And sometimes there will be other tutorials and other videos where I guide you through some different types of projects. Those will only be available to subscribed members. All right. And so you will get that private and public tutorial videos if you subscribe monthly. Also, you will get free access to my quick and dirty business building ebook series. These go over things like identifying your ideal customer, identifying what strategy you should use, what is strategy, how to implement that strategy. So those are quick and dirty books. These are ebooks, and they're fairly short, again, hence the title, quick and dirty. But those I actually sell individually, but as a subscribed member, you will get free access to those books. Again, members only updates. Every time I update the AI cookbook, you will get access to those updates in real time. So that is a perk of being a subscribed member. Also, you will be getting templates. So the first template that I am going to offer all subscribed members is a standard business plan template. All right. So you can brainstorm and create your business plan using ChatGPT or Jasper.ai. And then you can immediately take that information, put it into the business plan template. And now you have something that is in a more standardized format, right? So business building templates, there's going to be a few other templates that I create soon and will be offered only in the members portal. And then you also get discounts on live webinars and workshops. I will be doing beginning now, I think the first one is going to be in May, and there's going to be monthly workshops where you can ask me questions about your business, and you can even request that we use your business as an example for that entire workshop. And so you will get value because we're actually, as a community on that webinar, we're helping you solve some important questions that you have about your business, specifically using ChatGPT and Jasper.ai, along with some other artificial intelligence programs. So that is all that you get, and with time more with the AI Cookbook Plus membership. Now, if you want to just have the current version of the cookbook, it is $49.97. You get a single PDF download. This is a one-time purchase, and unfortunately, with that, you just don't get access to updates or additions. So if that is what you're looking for, that is $49.97 for the single PDF download. Again, one-time purchase. All right. So that is an overview of what you would get. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. And I will also put a link to this page, this pricing page, in the comments section. All right. So I hope that this is valuable for you and that you will join me as a member of my program. And I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you.